Sanibonani nginamukele ku-247 News laphana-ke abebedlala laphana-ke ku-Big Brother uBravo B nalaphana-ke u-Ashay sebevezile ukuthi besikhiphani phakathi laphana-ke ku-Big Brother Mzansi-ke bengicela laphana-ke ungakhohlwa subscribe uphinde uklikhe i-notification bell. Ngicela-ke ulalele-ke ividiyo-ke izoyophela uzozwa-ke izinto ukuthi bekwenzakalani kahle hle laphana-ke ku-Big Brother Mzansi phakathi.
Kami ngiyakuvuma iPhone 17 ba Pro Max.
Hayi kabami mina ngithola iPhone ngithola amahaki phela nako lokubalekile.
Ngiyawathola amahaki. Yo. Hey, thola amahaki why when uthola iPhone 17 ngiyakuvuma ngaba. Ama-contract awafani. Ama-contract awafani.
Abantu mabekubona thoba unokuthi beshuthe rank abantu bakunika amafoni ungangithola screen protect awuyikhina akamla abantu bakuthetha hayi ncane boy mara manje lenkinga le ukuthi unokuba nesimo sokuthi ube nendlala bese uthi usuthi namhlanje ngikubonile lapha e-restaurant abantu bakunikeza ukudla uthi usuthi
wena oqala lento leyo ukuthi yabo manje wonke umuntu bathi India lami ngoba wena waqala yonke lento.
Uyalamba nje hawu ngicabangela wena
Hayi uthi mina asikhuluma isingisi ngoba my friends are khona ama-fans ami la mina I have ama-fans from Phesheya overseas India Bangladesh manje mina sikhuluma isingisi
Phesheya overseas
phela mina nginama-fans from international fans yabo mangiphuma kuthiwa wena Ashay kuphela wena kuphela in the house phuma onama-fans are-international.
No.
So we have to speak English ka.
Yeah, okay, let me speak English. But I just found out that every time when we meet up with people, they say, "Where's Bravo?"
Now when you meet up, but yiphi India? Where's Ashay?
I never true. Boy.
Ngibonile ngizwile kwi-life yakho. But hey, where's Ashay?
Never true.
Bravo.
It's like that I was trying to explain to my people. They say, ngiyabakela ukuthi mina I just miss Ashay. They say, "Who's Ashay?" And they're like, "Oh, the Indian one." They say, "Oh, that one." I was like, "Oh, I'm fine." And another thing, now it's time for you to tell people that they came besidlala inside.
Hey, no, don't tell them.
No, it was scripted. It was scripted.
Ask them.
Oh no, it's a little big brother told you so that about also totally hype you must win those games.
Guys, you guys know from watching that Bravo was disciplined on that game, man. Bravo, daily bread, being shy every day, even manj after the house.
I never true, boy. I'm ready, boy.
Bravo.
And the thing Baselile, boy, to find out when we were inside there was a gap, happy outside, and we also lost outside, and also lost.
And the parity we need, parity we need.
I'm going to watch. There's no way. What are they saying? Hey, they're saying we love you, Bravo. Who did you ask?
But
Guys,
we love you, Paprika.
Guys, it's Ashay. It's Ashay. Guys, don't you remember Ashay?
No,
it's Ashay.
they're asking me who's this guy. Goalkeeper, look, guys. This is my former teammate, goalkeeper from Richards Bay. I don't know if you guys know him.
Let me remind them. Oh, yabona le dance ngiqeda ukuyishaya mfana wami. Mfana wami kodwa content engakayenzi la. Futhi uthi kubuyisela screen sakhe esincane phela lapha. La kuyona phone yakho le. Uwenzani? Buyisela phezulu.
Kabi, susana ama-screen lawa.
Awasuseki lawo ama-screen lawo. Abhalwe invite. Namana chena. Mina ngifuna ukuthi ngikubongele mfana wami. Nethi uAshay Sulala India lokuqala apha eBrad abanye bathi usuke eIndia kanti inkaba yakhe ise Sri Lanka ngaphansi kwenkosi uTangalanga umfana owadla inkomo egijima uMr Paprika himself umfana weNdiya ongaphuphi ngesingisi ophupha ngesiZulu
Usikhophuka man.
late angenze
Late
silate
man.
oh mfana wami ngiyajabula ukubona mfana wami
Ah, yes now.
sesivela ku TV manje ingcono le camera siyayicontrol
Yabo.
ayilawa leya so control la
Ah, sasovela TV. Bathi bafuna uyenza i-movie. They want to make a movie out of us. Uzwile?
yibi le movie yase-India kabeyami
Ebollywood.
yawazi lama movie ase-India kabeyami ukuthi uvele ukuthi dun 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 dun
Ablindi. Twembu fan.
never
Twembu.